Hello, and welcome to miniOrange. Let's see how to configure policies and groups in Google CASB. Configuring policies for Google CASB. Enter your policy details, like policy name and policy description. Enable IP restriction checkbox. Select the Allow or Deny option to either permit or restrict certain IP addresses. Click on the Add IP address icon to create a new field where you can add the IP addresses you want to regulate. Enable Time Restriction checkbox. Select Allow or Deny to permit or restrict user access during the selected time slot. Select the user's time zone. Select the start and end times for the time-based restriction. Enable Prevent Download checkbox. Click on the Save and Next button to save the policy. Configuring groups for Google CASB. Enter the group name and group description. It should be the same as the name of the group that you have configured in the IDP. Select the group policy from the drop-down menu. Let's give permissions for applications for the group. Add restrictions on the application for the group which you want to restrict. Click on the Save and Next button to save the group. After successfully configuring all screens, you will be redirected to the Edit screen. Basic settings: you can change any configurations if required in the authentication. Group settings: you can add and configure groups on this screen and view all configured groups. Now, click on Add New Group. You will get a pop-up for adding a new group. Click on Edit icon. You will see the group restriction policy for application that you configure. If you need to create a new policy for a group, you can navigate to the Manage Policy screen to create a new policy. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@securify.com.